Hi guys, so there's been this argument going on for a really long time now about how UI UX is not important or relevant in the tech space, how it's not needed, how web developers and web designers are there to, work on the project without the UI UX designer. And this is a lot because it's now giving people this impression that, okay, what's the use of UI UX design? What's the use of a UI UX designer on my project? And there are some people coming up, people that want to start UI UX design, that this thought and has clouded their head in such a way that they have lost interest in going on in UI UX design. So I am here to put it to you and to clear all those doubts and tell you why UI UX designers and why UI UX design is important in this particular space. Here are some key points that I found out from my research why UI UX design is necessary in tech. So UI UX defines the user experience, like I said. Developers build functionality, but UI UX determines how user interacts with the product. Without it, the app may not work but feel confusing or frustrating. UI UX defines the user experience. Developers build functionality, but UI UX determines how users interact with the project. Without it, the app may not work but feel confusing and frustrating. I don't know how many of you have been in a website or in an app or a product where you are trying to navigate, you're trying to find your way around that website and it feels very confusing. I don't know how to navigate through this project. I don't know where to click. I don't know how to start chatting, or I don't know where to, you become confused. Such projects and such design did not have a UI UX designer. Trust me, because that's the work of a UI UX designer. A UI UX designer thinks like the user. He or she will be like, okay, when a user sees this page, where is he going to click to do this? Where is he going to click to do that? If he opens this place, is he going to be able to reach this and reach that? But that's not the work of a web designer or a web developer. His work is just to make the project functional, just develop. That's what they are, developers. So a UI UX designer is going to make sure that this design is interactive. The users can use it efficiently without struggle. They're going to be able to use it at ease, to their convenience, without a second party coming to help them navigate through the website. The second point I have here is that UI UX design prevents poor product structure. UI UX designer plan the user flow, layout, and navigation before development starts, preventing messy structures and constant rebuilding. A web developer without a UI UX designer, you will build tire, you will do and undo, you will redo. So UI UX designers are very important.